How to delete follow request on TikTok. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do it, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So for that, first thing first is you can open up the TikTok application onto your device, and once you open it up, you should be finding the home interface with the For You, Following and Sim. So what you can do next in order to basically delete your follow request is all of your follow requests. You can head over to the inbox section, which is located right in the second last option in the bottom right. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you will be heading towards your inbox where you will be finding all of your chats, including your new followers and activity. So you may tap on new followers, and when you go ahead and tap on new followers, it will show you how many people have followed you and everything. So in order to delete in follow request, what you can do is you need to manually go ahead and delete each follow request. So you can head over to their profile from the followers who have sent follow request to you. After that, there you should be finding a delete option in the bottom. For example, this person has sent me a follow request. We have delete and accept option. You can tap on delete. After that is done, the follow request will be deleted from your notifications as well. And that is it. So you may follow all same process for all of the followers that are trying to follow you. So that is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.